How to start a private practice business, a step-by-step guide to build your own success. Have you ever dreamed of running your own private practice, where you call the shots, set your schedule, and truly make a difference? Imagine being your own boss while doing what you love. But what does it really take to launch a successful private practice? Let's break it down. Definition: starting a private practice business means establishing a professional business where you offer services directly to clients as an independent provider, typically in fields like therapy, counseling, medical services, or consulting. Private practice lets you take full control of your work, brand, and income, offering personalized services without the constraints of working for someone else. Welcome to Prince Sam Official Channel. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you. Step-by-step tips. 1. Determine your niche and specialty. Define your unique service. Are you a therapist, counselor, nutritionist, or consultant? Decide on a specific area where you have the expertise to stand out and attract clients. Market research. Investigate demand for your specialty in your area. What problems are people facing that you can solve? 2. Craft a business plan. Outline your vision, define your goals, services, pricing structure, and target audience. Financial planning. Estimate startup costs, set income goals, and project expenses. SWOT analysis. Identify your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats in the market. 3. Legal structure and licensing. Choose a business structure. Decide between sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation based on liability and tax implications. Obtain necessary licenses. Check local and state requirements for practicing privately, including professional licenses, permits, and insurance. 4. Set up your business finances. Separate business finances. Open a dedicated business bank account. Billing and payment systems. Set up online payment options for clients, like credit cards or online invoicing tools. Tax planning. Get an accountant or use accounting software to help manage taxes. 5. Find your location and set up your office. Decide on a location. Will you rent office space, work remotely, or a combination of both? Create a welcoming environment. Set up a comfortable, professional space that reflects your brand and helps clients feel at ease. Essential equipment. Ensure you have all the tools, from furniture to technology, that enhance your client's experience. 6. Build your brand identity. Logo and website. Invest in a simple logo and an easy-to-navigate website that includes service details, contact info, and testimonials. Social media presence. Set up accounts where potential clients are active and share relevant, helpful content to build trust. 7. Marketing your practice. Networking. Connect with local professionals, attend events, and join online communities. Content marketing. Share articles, tips, and videos that establish your expertise. Advertising. Consider online ads on Google, social media, or local publications to reach your audience. 8. Set up client intake and management systems. Intake process. Use digital forms to make client onboarding easy. Management tools. Invest in scheduling software and secure systems for managing client information and appointments. Follow-up. Establish procedures to follow up and check in with clients, enhancing client satisfaction and retention. 9. Manage client confidentiality and ethics. Secure records. Use secure software to protect client data. Professional ethics. Follow industry standards for confidentiality, informed consent, and boundaries. 10. Review and improve regularly. Seek client feedback. Collect reviews to understand areas for improvement. Stay updated. Continuously train in your field and adapt to trends to keep your practice relevant. Evaluate growth opportunities. Consider expanding services, hiring staff, or collaborating with others as your practice grows. Starting a private practice is a bold, empowering journey that takes careful planning, dedication, and a passion for serving clients. By following these steps, you're well on your way to building a business that fulfills both your personal and professional goals. If this guide has sparked your interest, or if you're ready to dive deeper into the world of private practice, hit that subscribe button for more insights on building a successful business. Remember, Prince Sam Official loves you all. Stay tuned, and thank you for watching.